they just walked off.
So there's first place?
Yeah, this one's first place.
That's great.
It is nice, but there's one way up that's... I mean, that one seems so easy to take.
Got my coffee over there.
Okay, back to the house. Gotta go work. Hate to work. Different view of these castles. Look at that one there. That was so crazy looking. Like a machine. And these were all built on Thursday. Today's Sunday. We had a real bad rain on Thursday when they first started. But it's look at the detail on that. It's pretty cool. See some of the sand coming apart already on the inside of it. And they got water out here. They're wetting it all down. Trying to keep it together. So, there's my ride out on the beach. I got Mom's car on the beach. Ooh-wee! Band's playing. All right, we gotta go.